But trying to compare both, I don't agree with it. Both are different schools altogether, and depends upon how you handle.
Raman sir, here. Straight, sir. Straight, slightly towards your left, sir. Here. Yeah. Raman sir, would you say 2014 has been a good year for you musically?
Why do you ask that?
Sir, because your previous two outings, Lekar Hum, Deewana Dil and Linga, has not exactly hit the bullseye. So,
I have done almost 12 movies in 2014. It was a workout for me, I think, and for my team. And I think it's one of my happiest year. Whether it's Hollywood, 3 movies there, and Tamil film, working with Shankar, Rajinikanth, and then, of course, some of the good movies have shifted to the next year thing, like Pele is shifted next year, the release, and I has shifted next year. So we have some more stuff. No, I'm not directing a movie. I'm scripting a movie and I'll be co-producing. I'll tell when it's all ready. Thank you for your curiosity.
Shankar sir, I have a question for you. There are news that Amir has been roped in for the sequel of Robo.
okay.
So can you tell us about it?
Right now, I'm waiting for this movie to get released.
Bosco, my question is for you here. Was it difficult choreographing for Shankar sir, who's dressed as a beast? Vikram sir, I'm so sorry. Vikram sir, who's dressed as a beast. Was it difficult or how was your experience?
I don't think so. It was difficult. In fact, it inspired me. The minute I saw the costume, it inspired me to give Vikram some more tough moves, and he very happily executed all of them. So this is just a trailer. I think you should wait for the song to see the magic that has been done by the team.
Shankar sir, here again. So you made a Bollywood film Nayak with Anil Kapoor. So are you planning to make another film in Hindi for Bollywood? And if yes, then which actor would you like to cast in?
I'm open, like I'll be doing Tamil or Hindi, language doesn't matter. Like even this film, I see this film as an Indian film, not a Hindi dubbed or Tamil film or Telugu or Hindi or Malayalam. I'm seeing this as an Indian film. Thank you. Because the best talents from our country, from from all the states, have been put their best effort in this movie, and also the international talents also, being the part of this movie, like Veta Workshop and Rising Sun Pictures from Australia, who did Harry Potter and all, and Mary Watt, who did the costume designing for Men in Black. She worked for this film, and we. Lot of interesting elements and a lot of efforts, a lot of money also have been put into this movie, and I hope the whole country will enjoy this movie.
One last question, ladies and
Yes,
gentlemen.
you mentioned that I'm Rajesh Kumar Singh, Mr. Shankar, Mr. A. Rahman himself is so well known all over the world. Now, I mean, we are seeing a lot of films of similar genre doing very well as mainstream Hollywood cinema, which is doing very well worldwide. I mean, it's not, Hollywood is not earning its money only in North America, it also is making a lot of money outside America. Can you think of a situation where an Indian film like this would be doing the kind of business Hollywood films have been doing worldwide?
See, mainly we are doing a film for our audience, and we are trying to make it as best as possible. And in a way, it may be liked by the all over the world audience also, because Robot I did for our Indian audience only, but worldwide, a lot of people liked it. So I believe this film also can go international, like with our stuff.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Last.
Sorry.
How much? So one sec, she's saying something. Kocharian, which is going for Oscar no, for your work.
It got shortlisted. 3 of my movies got shortlisted. One was $1 Million Arm and 100-Foot Journey, and then Kocharian. It needs to go another big step for me to get excited, which is nomination. So we'll wait till then, if it ever gets there.
Well, thank you so much for your time and being so patient, ladies and gentlemen. Aye, releasing this January, Pongal.
इसमें बहुत सारा